Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Ms. Blanks' virtual math class. And today we are going to be comparing sets and practice using comparative language. The cub, you will know how to compare numbers. You will understand that comparative language is used to compare objects like greater than, less than, and equal to. And you will be able to describe and compare sets up to 5 using comparative language. All right, so let's start with something that we know. So we're going to count backwards starting at 5, and then we're going to compare the Legos. Ready? Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Good job. All right, now let's practice comparing. Now, which color Lego has more circles? Yes, the yellow, yellow. Awesome job. Okay, so we can say that the yellow Lego is more than the rest of the Legos. Okay, or another word that we could use instead of saying more, we could say greater than. So we could say the yellow Lego is greater than the other Legos. So remember, compare. That means to describe objects using words like more, less, or the same. And remember, we compared the M&Ms if tried to figure out which one was more, and we said the red. So these are the two comparative language phrases that we're going to be using today. The first one is greater than, and that means having more. And if you look at the picture at the bottom, they circled the set of objects that has more, okay? Because that represents greater than. And then if you look here, we have equal to, and that means the same. And you can notice that the red flowers and the yellow flowers are the same. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about a time that I had to compare numbers. Okay, so my sister was having a birthday party and I was in charge of buying the candy bars. So I knew she invited 4 friends. So I had to make sure that I had the right amount of candy bars. Okay, how can I do that? What do I need to do? Yes, I need to count, okay? I need to count my candy bars just to make sure that I have enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I know she invited 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, so I do have enough. And I noticed that the number of candy bars that I have and the number of people are the same, okay? So another word that we can use for the same is equal to, and that means the same, remember? And sometimes sets can represent the same number. But since we're practicing using comparative language, we will say the sets are equal. Okay, so we would say the candy bars are equal to the number of kids because they are the same. Okay. All right, so let's try this. Okay. Sometimes a set may have more than the other set. So, for example, if Batman had 5 candy bars and Peppa Pig had 2 candy bars, who has more candy bars? Yes, Batman, Batman. Because if we count Batman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to write that here, just like last week. And then we have Peppa Pig's 1, 2. Okay. We know that Batman has more candy bars than Peppa Pig. Okay. And remember, instead of saying more, we could say greater than. Okay. So we could say Batman's candy bar is greater than Peppa Pig's. Okay. So now I'm going to incorporate the numbers. So I would say 5 is greater than 2. All right. Oops, Ms. Blanks forgot to erase those numbers. Count down 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, so your assignment. So you will draw a picture of your family members sitting at a table with an equal amount of plates. So remember what equal means. I'm not going to tell you, okay? And if you need to, you can go back and watch the video again to remember what equal means. And remember, you made flashcards too, so use your flashcards, okay? Do your best work. I can't wait to see them. Bye-bye.